Hello guys, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to find uh, list cost path. This is lab 4. So to begin with, open the previous data set or open the ArcMap that you saved last time. Here was the optimal site that we select for school development. Today we are going to find an alternative access route, okay, or list cost path, right, using the data sets that here we have listed, right? We have to follow the steps. First off, we have to create the source data set that was right outside that we have created last time. Create the cost of this data set. You have to create the cost of this data set using the slope and the land use or any other input data set, and then perform cost distance analysis using the source and the cost data set as input, and the created destination data set. Here is the point at the junction of road, and finally perform cost path analysis, right? So here we have to follow the steps. The first step is we have to follow we have to create new model. Go to here. Yes, this model. Go to model property. Here should be the name should be find route. Find route and model level. Find best route. Find best route and check this one again. And go to here environment and processing extent and cell size. Go to value again. Here processing extent should be same as elevation. Cell size again should be same as elevation. Now we have finished, and again here save the model. Now we have renamed the model and we have to save the model. Okay, and then okay, the next step is now creating cost distance using the slope and the land use landing cover. To do so, drag slope out from this to your model and land use landing cover. And again, find slope, drag slope tool from arc toolbox to your model. So to access the class tool, go to Spatial Analysis toolbox and go to reclass here and drag this to the model and then connect it with your slope out. Okay, and then classify and click select and then open this. Okay, and here this is yes, it should be like that of the previous one, should be 10 class. Here the class should be 10 and the method should be equal interval. Okay, and then here we do have 10 classes, but you have to give 10 to costly slope. Costly slope means a steep slope. Okay, and want to list the cost. List the cost. Want to list the cost. Therefore, now when we don't reverse the value or new value. Okay, we have to accept the default, and the output name should be as it is, and okay, here rename this one reclassed slope okay, and then the next step is add to display and then run the model. Yeah, this is reclassed slope. Okay, next, yeah, the next step is combining the land use and the slope out. So go to overlay tool and drag this weighted overlay, and now open it here. And we have to set this one 1 to 10 by 1 and apply. Okay, now bring the reclassed slope, this one, and value. Okay, here we do have reclassed slope. Oh, sorry. So here we do have this reclassed slope. We give high value for costly slope, that means a steep slope, and low value, that is 1 to the gentle slope. Okay, the next one, and add the land use land cover. Here we have, and the value should be land use. And okay, now this collapse this one. Here we have this land use land cover, but with no scale value. We have to give a scale. As I told you, a scale should be given based on three important grounds. The first one is based on experiment. Second one is based on related literature or review literature. You have to read a lot on this area, and you have to give based on that. And the other one is the based on experiments or expertise judgment or decision. You have to consult expertise in this area, and after discussion, long discussion, you can give the scale. For example, for transitional, let us give here 5, and for water, 10, because water it is difficult or challenging to construct road along the water, right? So we have to give high value for that. Land should be 2. Okay, and built up should be 9. It was costly to build road across built up area. Agriculture, let us give 4, and forest it needs some work, groundwork 8, and wetland still this one is challenging 10. Okay, and now set the percentage influence. It should be equal influence. Click this set equal influence, and it gives 50-50 influence. Okay, and then okay, yeah, now here it is connected auto layout, and then here it looks like this one. Okay, all right, and now change the name or rename this one. It should be cost surface, cost surface. Okay, surface, this cost surface. Okay, and then add to display this cost surface after modeling, after processing, and run the model. This is the cost surface. You can see this is the cost surface. Okay, the cost surface here you can see here. This the green one is high cost, 9, 8, 19 high cost to low cost surface, right? Low cost surface. Basically, you can see here, Let's see here. Okay. Mm, you can make it extend and let us see this cost surface. The red one is the least cost, and this one the green one, and the light green, dark green one, and all this is special in the steep slope area is the costly surface. Okay, and the next step is finding the least cost path between the uh, final school site and the destination, right? Here we have the final school site already here. We have this one, and here the destination data set, okay? So here the cost distance tool and the cost path tool will be used. And the cost distance tool will have to output uh, the output raster and output the back link. The output raster doesn't give us the costly distance, whereas the backlink output will show the least costly path. Okay, let us so add the data set as this the final site and destination. Here, let us add this destination and the final site, and then add the cost, distance, and the cost path tools. Go to Spatial Analyst here, Spatial Analyst tools box, and the distance tool set. And here you can get cost distance and the cost path tools. The cost distance and the cost path tools. Okay, cost distance and cost path tools. And then connect. Let us use this connect tool and let us connect the final site and the cost surface. Final site. Okay, should be like this. Yeah. So now the rename the okay. So select all, and then rename this output. The output should be renamed as the output cost distance. Output cost distance. Output cost distance. And then here the output back link. By the way, this output cost distance tells us the overall cost distance. Doesn't give us the costly distance or the least cost path. Whereas this output backlink raster gives us the least cost path. So let us rename it to the output call. To output cost backlink. Output here cost backlink raster, and with this one enough output cost backlink, and connect now again is connect tool and connect destination output cost distance and output cost backlink to cost path. Connect destination is feature and output cost distance in this one should be like this. Cost, not cost distance, not cost. Okay, this one is cost distance, not cost distance, cost backlink. All right. Okay. Now rename the final output this one as the output cost pass. Output cost pass. Okay. Okay, output cost pass. Okay. And then the next step is then setting the cost distance or cost distance parameter. Cost distance, hover on it, okay? And let us open it, this cost distance here, right? Input feature source final, okay, very good. Input cost raster, cost surface, yes, it is, right? And type cost backlink for output backlink. This one, output backlink here. Let us write this cost underscore b okay link, okay, and this one is the default, okay, and then okay, this connector now, right? Connected, okay, here out, right, okay. Now cost pass, hover on it, and here we do have all this, okay, yet over it, and let us see the import raster for feature, and that is okay, it is okay, okay. Excellent. Now we are finished this, and then right click on this output and then add to display, right click and then add to display, and then finally output cost pass, right click and then add to display. And the final one is run the model, right? Running the model. Yes, running it. Yes, it is done. Yeah, we have finished. We have finished it, and you can manage it. You can see this. You see here, you can see you can manage it like this, and you can see here, go to table of content, and this is the output cost pass, right? You can uncheck it. This one is output cost backlink, and this one is output cost pass. You can see here output cost pass. You see here. I think you can see this line, and check it out to see clearly. You see here output cost pass. Here we do have one option, and here the other option. This is output cost backlink. Okay. Output cost pass. This one is this output cost pass. This is output cost pass. You can make it, this one somewhat, instead of that red or yellow. I think this one. You see here. Yeah, you can increase this. Oh, no. Here it is. This is, okay. And then now let us, here it is from the destination to the site, okay. Here we do have from destination to site. From the destination, as you see, from this destination to the new site, new school site, right? This is the best or the least cost to pass, okay? Now let us go to the next step. We have to convert this into polyline. Okay, polyline. So finally you get a line model of the list. Now in the next step, let us convert this cost path, list cost path into polyline. That means line feature, right? To do so, you can here, first of all, you can uncheck here. You can uncheck here, make it the full extent, and then you can uncheck some unnecessary data sets like slope output. Let us collapse it to manage it. Slope out, let us uncheck this slope out, this one, cost surface, and this one, right? Output cost distance, okay, and then output cost backlink, cost was okay. Yeah, now you can see the cost pass on the land use as well as on the hill shade. Okay, here it is, the cost pass, and even you can uncheck the previous. This one is the previous road, and you can uncheck the okay, no matter, the water body should be there. So this is the list cost pass. You see here over the land use as well as the elevation or the hillshade. Okay, list cost pass. This is the list cost pass. The list cost pass, you can see, you can zoom into that and you can see this is the list cost pass across this land use and the across this land use and the topography or land form. Okay, so now let us convert into polyline, and we can use polyline conversion tool. Go to conversion, it will be polyline, and open this polyline now. My goodness, and list the cost pass, and it should be that one. Okay, and browse to here. Okay, new route, and you see here new route, save it there. Yeah, this new route, and again here you can also change the name, and or you can make it auto layout and full extent, and this one add to display again, add to display, and then you can run your model. Yeah, now let us see what happened to our model. Okay, save your model here, and then you can manage this to see what happened in your model. Here it is. Okay, and go to table of content. You see here the line already it is there, so you can make it red like this. This is the, and you can uncheck the other land use land cover. Okay, this is the list cost path or new route generated using the land use, slope, and destination data sets. Okay, thank you for watching this very important tutorial or the last lab in spatial analysis and modeling. Thank you for watching.